Good morning. In exercise 8.3, question number 5, Vasudevan invested 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded half yearly. What amount would he get after 6 months and after 1 year? We have principal amount is rupees 60,000, rate 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. That means rate of interest we take 6%. First, after 6 months, that means n is equal to 1 half year, amount is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. 60,000 1 plus 6 upon 100 to the power 1 half year, that means 1 is 60,000 1 plus taking LCM we get 100 and in numerator we get 106. We cancel two zeros, we get 600 into 106. This is 6 6 ja 36, 6 1 ja 6, rupees 63,600. Second, after 1 year, n is equal to 2 half year, compounded half yearly, that means n is equal to 2 half year, amount is equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power n is equal to P 60,000, rate of interest 6 upon 100 to the power 2 is equal to 60,000 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. We cancel these zeros, we get 6 into 106 into 106. After multiply 106 we get 6 into 11236 and answer is 67,416. Question number 6. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amount he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. In this question, principal amount is rupees 80,000. Rate of interest 10% per annum. That means 5 per half year. If interest is compounded annually, first, if interest is compounded annually, then n is equal to 1 by 2 years is equal to 1 year plus half year. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n is equal to P 1 plus rate of interest is 10, because this is compounded annually, 10 by 100 to the power 1.5. That means, 80,000. Here we put 80,000. 80,000 1 plus 10 upon 100 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 into 1 by 2. 80,000 into 11 by 10 into 1 plus 1 by 20. 80,000 into 11 by 10 multiply to 21 by 20. We cancel 2 zeros, 2 ones are 400. This is 400 into 11 ones are 11, 11 22, 23 is 92,400. Amount is 92,400. 92,400. Second, if interest compound half yearly, if interest is compounded half yearly, then n is equal to 1 by 2 years is equal to 3 half year. Then amount is equal to, we put formulas of amount, 80,000 1 plus rate of interest is 5 per half year, 5%, 100 to the power 3. That means 80,000, 5 ones are 5 20s are 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We cancel 3 zeros. Into 21 into 21 into 21, we get 10 into 441 into 21, 92,610 rupees, 92,610. Difference in amount is equal to 92,610 minus 92,400 is equal to rupees 210. Next question 7. Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of second year, the interest for the third year. We have principal amount is rupees 8,000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. First, the amount credited against her name at the end of second year. That means n is equal to 2 years. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. 8,000 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 2. 5 ones are 5 20s are 8,000 multiply to 21 1 upon 20 into 21 by 20. We cancel zeros. 2 40s are 2 20s are. That means we multiply 20 into 21 into 21. This implies 20 into 4 41. We get 4 to the 8,820 rupees 8,820. Second, the interest for the third year. That means n is equal to 3 year. Amount is equal to, put the formulas. Principal amount is 8,000. 1 plus rate interest is 5 upon 100 to the power 3. 5 20s are, then 8,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We cancel zeros. 4. That means multiply 441 into 21. We get 9261 rupees 9,261. Hence, interest for third year is equal to 9,261 minus 8,820. We get rupees 441. So interest for third year is rupees 4,441. Question number 8. Find the amount of compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? So we find amount. Principal amount is rupees 10,000. R is 10% per annum, and time is 1 by 2 years. First we find compounded half yearly. Then rate of interest is 10 by 2 is 5% per annum, per 5% half year, per half year. And n is equal to 1 by 2 is 3 half year. Then amount is 10,000. We write formula. 10,000 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 3 . 10,000 multiply to 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We get, cancel zeros. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. 5 multiply to 21 into 21 into 21 by 4 is equal to 9261 multiply to 5 by 4. We get 46305 by 4 is equal to rupees 115,676.25. In second part, if interest is compounded annually, first we find interest in first part, compounded half yearly. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 11,576.25 minus principal amount is 10,000. After subtraction we get interest is 1,576.25. Second part, if interest is compounded annually, then amount after 1 year, then amount is equal to P plus R by 100 to the power N is equal to P is 10,000, 1 plus rate of interest is 10% per annum by 100 to the power N. N is 1.5 year, so we here put 1, and 1 plus 10 by 10, 1 by 2 by 100 to the 2 by 100. So 2 5s are 5, 20s are, we get 11 by 10 into 21 by 20, we cancel 2 zeros, 100 into 11 into 21, 50, that means 50 multiplied to 11 21, we get 50 into 231 is equal to rupees 11,550. Then difference in this question, difference is find the would this interest be more than the interest would get if it is compounded annually? Yes. So we write here thus more interest would be generated if interest is calculated half yearly.